Hello, boys. So it's been a while since we had this location. I'm really not. The light is not against me, and I am really showing in the camera. So for now, I will tell you that there's no internet, and I'm using data. Maybe there's nothing. There's no one. There's no one. No one inside my roommates. My board mates, and they went home in their area. It's Christmas season, so we're stuck here. No Wi-Fi, so we can use data. Anyway, that's out of the context. Let's start this. Number 6. Yeah, I've also got my strike break. Since there's no data, I can't upload on GitHub. Let's start by doing this circle. So, circle, and name this div as circle. I'm doing an empty attribute here, so we can just put that. Then make this circle rounded by using a property called border radius 50%. This is gonna be a circle, and put this in the center like so. Position absolute weight margin auto inset 0. Now that it is in the middle, let's change the color to this one. Okay, seems good. It's like yesterday's challenge. I also created that circle. So box shadow and like 30 pixel the size, 0 for the horizontal and vertical offset, and also for the blur effect, 30 pixel for the size that is around the circle, and the color is this blue. Alright, now that we have this, we can create another element that is rectangle. We can rotate this 45 degrees like this. So copy the circle, name this rect, copy this copy the circle, property rule, shift tab, name this rect, and remove the border radius and box shadow. So we have now this square. We can do the reduce the height, yep, to make a rectangle. So like 30 pixel, and push this to the top. So 0 in the inset and negative value in the first parameter. So we can put here 100 pixel, negative 100, negative 200 maybe, negative. Okay, from here we can change the color to this one, blue, and rotate this. So transform rotate 45 degrees. Okay, it is not actually what we want. This is negative 45. Okay, alright. We can change the position a little bit. We need to push this on the bottom slightly, and to the left, to the right by 10 pixel. I mean negative. Wait. Alright, we need to push this on the bottom. Wait, it's not. just slightly, like 88, 86, and to the left. It's too much. Yeah, this is, it really fits, no, for me. Okay, we can increase the width by like 2 pixel, 3, 4, yeah, seems so. And we can push this to the left side to 0 here. Yeah, and now we can increase the width just to fit the original element. Yeah, 10. I guess that's it. All that's left is the background, so we can put here body selector, background property, the color is this orange, and submit. I can post this on YouTube at the moment, because I have no, because my signal is limited, my data is limited, and I can't afford to just waste it. It's not actually, well, by the way, it's 100% and we did good. So yeah, it's time to close this video, but like what I said earlier, I can't post this on YouTube at the moment. So yeah, that's it.